Meaning of hasten.
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 Hasten. The word hasten is a verb that means to move or act quickly, or to make something happen sooner or faster. When you hasten something, you accelerate a process, causing it to progress more rapidly than it would otherwise. For example, if you want to finish a project before its deadline, you might hasten the work by working extra hours to speed up its completion. Conversely, a delay in hastening something could result in missed opportunities or failure to meet deadlines. Therefore, hastening something can be an effective strategy for achieving goals and meeting objectives efficiently.